Hi friends, this is me Harshita here. Today's video is about anti-cancer drugs. Let's start with the side effect of anti-cancer drugs. It is a common side effect of all the anti-cancer drugs. They are one. First, you should know that anti-cancer drug will act against cancer. That means against rapidly dividing cells. So only all the rapidly dividing cells of the body are hampered. That is, therefore, the side effects of anti-cancer drug include bone marrow suppression and alopecia, sterility, mucositis because the mucosa is a rapidly dividing thing, and the diarrhea because the endothelial lining, the GI mucosa, again diarrhea, nausea, and vomiting. This is the common side effect of any anti-cancer drug. This you should know. And coming to the classification of anti-cancer drug, the anti-cancer drugs can be divided into 8 main categories. In this video, let us discuss about 4 types. The first one being alkylating agents. The very common and the most known to all of you is cyclophosphamide. Belongs to this group only. Cyclophosphamide आता है तो ifosfamide, you remember like that. This cyclophosphamide and ifosfamide both causes what is known as hemorrhagic cystitis. They can ask what is the metabolite of cyclophosphamide and ifosfamide that is responsible for hemorrhagic cystitis. Then the answer is acrolein. Okay. And coming to the treatment aspect of hemorrhagic, to prevent the hemorrhagic cystitis, what you should use is Mesna. Okay. Other alkylating agents you should know. You remember this way. Most of the alkylating agent are a name of a vehicle. Like abhi cyclophosphamide, remember it as a cycle. Then it is procarbazine. See, now you have a car. Then busulfan, that is bus. Okay. And you remember the tempo, something tempo. So temozolomide. So you remember I was going at night, uh, 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 first in cycle, then in car, then in bus, then in tempo. Why I said I am going is me. So me is miclorhythmine. Melphalan. And I was going at night, I said. So why night is nitrosuria. All comes in alkylating agent. So let us learn one point each among all, about all. Cyclophosphamide, ifosfamide, I told that is hemorrhagic cystitis. Acrolein is the cause and you should use Mesna. Coming to the next one, that is procarbazine. Procarbazine has disulfiram like side effect. Okay, disulfiram like reactions can occur here. Reaction. And coming to coming to temozolomide. Temozolomide is the drug of choice for glioma. Okay. Coming to the meclorhythmine, it was used in old regimen of Hodgkin lymphoma. Hodgkin, that is MOP regimen. Now ABVD regimen is used. So it is used in that. Coming to melphalan, M for melphalan, mel and myeloma. Multiple myeloma I meant, okay? Multiple myeloma. So now you learned some points about alkylating agents. Now let's learn about platinum compounds. Second group. Platinum compounds includes cisplatin, carboplatin, oxaliplatin. So basically it involves platinum in it. Uses of let us learn about the uses of cisplatin. Where and all cisplatin is used. Cisplatin is used in various cancers. Head and neck cancer. Imagine this a head, neck. Then esophageal cancer, gastric cancer, like that. Eso cancer, gastric cancer, and bladder, prostate, genitourinary thing, prostate like bladder, prostate, ovary, and even cisplatin is used in osteosarcoma. Okay, so these are the uses of cisplatin. The side effect of cisplatin, the most common side effect is vomiting, nausea and vomiting. Other side effects include nephrotoxicity, ototoxicity. This nephro and ototoxicity combination also common aminoglycosides. Okay, coming to the next group, that is antimetabolites. Antimetabolites. Antimetabolites itself has three divisions in it, three types in it. That is folate antagonist, purine antagonist, pyrimidine antagonist. Folate antagonist, the famous drug, that is methotrexate. Okay, how does methotrexate act is the main function is DHFR is DHFRS is inhibited by methotrexate. Usually this DHFRase would convert DHFR into THFR. This conversion is very important because this is the compound which is involved in various metabolism. So this conversion is happening due to DHFRase. This enzyme is inhibited by methotrexate. Okay, this is a mechanism of action. As this is a folate antagonist, the side effects as that is common with other common side effects. Methotrexate has other side effect as megaloblastic anemia. Okay, and coming to the uses of methotrexate, it is used in rheumatoid arthritis, psoriasis, choriocarcinoma, ectopic pregnancy, osteosarcoma. Okay, so basically you should remember these are the very important uses of methotrexate. So you should remember this. Coming to the next one, that is purine antagonist. Remember purine antagonist name, you will get there is something that start with 6. 6 mercaptopurine, 6 theoguanine. Okay, along with that fludarabine, cladarabine. Now that you remember, fludarabine is used for CLL. You remember like Now, due to the COVID thing, due to the flu, you won't go anywhere. You just call to everybody. So, fludarabine you will call. Flu may you will call. Fludarabine is used in CLL. Okay. Then cladribine is hairy cell leukemia. So this is about purine antagonist. Now coming to pyrimidine antagonist. Pyrimidine antagonist, there are things like, so pyrimidine में अभी purine is 6 हो गया and pyrimidine it is 5 fluorouracil and cytarabine. Cytarabine, you remember cytarabine का unique side effect is cerebellar side effects. सितार अगर आप सितारों को देख के चलता है, लाइक यू सितार मीन स्टार, if you walk on the road by seeing stars, you will not go properly, right? You will wander, you will wobble. So that, remember, like cerebellar symptoms ऐसा हो जाता है. That is cytarabine. Okay, this is about the third group. Coming to the fourth group, it is microtubule damaging. They are basically two main types: vinca alkaloids and taxanes. Vinca alkaloids, you have things like vincristine, vinblastine, and vinorelbine. And then taxane you have paclitaxel and docetaxel. This is basically a spindle formation inhibitor. It acts on the formation inhibitor, whereas this is spindle breakdown inhibitor. So basically now in this video we learnt about 4 main types, that is alkylating agent. All are like a car, that is me traveled at night in all the vehicles, that is alkylating agents. Me is chlorothamine, melphalan, night is nitrosurea, vehicles like cyclophosphamide, procarbazine, bus-sulfan, temsolamide, tempo, like that. Platinum is cisplatin, carboplatin and oxaliplatin. Coming to antimetabolite, it is folate, purine and pyrimidine thing. Folate, the famous drug methotrexate. In purine you have 6 like that. 6 mercaptopurine, 6 thioguanine and flu and cladribine. Flu may you will call everybody. So fludarabine and CLL. Cladribine and hairy cell leukemia. And in pyrimidine you have 5. That is 5-fluorouracil and cytarabine. Okay. Coming to the last one of this video, that is microtubules. You have two things: vinca alkaloids and taxanes. In vinca alkaloids, you have vincristine, vinblastine, vinorelbine. In taxane, paclitaxel and docetaxel. Vincristine is a spindle formation inhibitor. Taxane is a spindle breakdown inhibitor. Hope this video helps you. Bye bye.